Hello, my friends. My name is Vala. I'm a social media marketing coach for course creators and coaches, and I'm going to tell you all about how to use the one-time notification for Facebook Messenger marketing. The first thing that you need to do is to go to your Facebook business page. Now, I have already done this on my business page, but I dug up an old Facebook business page of mine where I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, the first thing first, you need to go up here to settings, click on settings, and from there, we're gonna scroll all the way down here until we find advanced messaging. It's like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down from general. So click on advanced messaging and we're going to request from Facebook that they allow us to send one-time notification to our audience. So it says right here, this allows your page to send one message to people in Messenger that may fall outside of 24-hour messaging window. Only people who have chosen to receive each one-time notification will receive one. So we're going to actually ask our audience permission. Now I'm going to click here request, and it's going to tell us all sorts of things about that this is a beta product, etc., etc. You want to read everything that they have here. They have 3 links in here. Make sure you read it, and then once you're ready, click confirm. And it is automatically going to approve you. You're going to get this little green check mark here that says that now you have the ability to request one-time notification. So once you're done doing that and your settings look like this, you've got this green little check mark right here, we're going to hop on over to ManyChat and we're going to create a new growth tool. Now, here's the thing. So if I had an event coming up, like if I wanted to do a webinar, then I can use the confirmed event reminder messenger tag, and that would be fine. But if I want to say, would you like to be reminded when I have a new YouTube video coming out, then I would have to create a specific thing for that, which would be the one-time notification, because a YouTube video or a podcast or a blog, it is not an event. It is not something that you RSVP for. But what you're going to be doing is that you're going to asking to send them that one message outside of that window. So we're going to go to growth tool and click on new growth tool. And I like to use messenger ref URL, and that's just the link for it. I'm going to name this YouTube video reminder. And I'm going to save that because you always want to make sure that you know what the heck it is that you are creating. Then we're going to click edit, and I'm going to name this one-time notification request for next YouTube video. That's fine. That works. Now, because I like to name my videos and I'm doing it this way, I'm just gonna, it throws me out of editing mode. So I'm gonna click right here, back to edit. Then I'm gonna edit my post. And I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna say, hey, instead of welcome. Hey, first name. I released a new video in my YouTube. I cannot spell apparently. To my YouTube channel each week, where I cover social media and messenger bots for coaches, course creators, and service providers. Would you like me to let you know when the next video comes out? Question mark. Now I'm going to put most of my stuff right here in the message, because when I go down here and see there's a new selection here that's called OTNR, one-time notification request, allows to ask subscriber if they want a follow-up message after the 24-hour window. So I'm going to click on that. And when I click in the box, it only gives me 65 characters to talk to my audience, to get them to click the notify me. So I'm going to say, click not, and I'm going to do this, notify me in order for me to send you a reminder. We'll keep it short. See, I only have 8 characters left. That's it. Then I'm going to go over here to this editing box and see it says topic. Now, topic is similar to a tag. Instead of a tag, because remember, I cannot use a confirmed event reminder tag, I have to use a topic. So we are asking them to be notified about certain topic. And I mean, there's a lot of opportunities that you have using this particular option. So I'm gonna just click on here, and I already have one that says notify me of next video, but I'm going to create a new one that says notify me of March 9th video. And then it has like a little plus sign that says new topic, notify me of March 9th video, and then I'm gonna click done. So that's pretty much it, what I would have to do right here. And then I can create a broadcast that where I select the one-time notification tag or topic, and then I just send it to those that opted in. But I'm going to take it a little bit a step further. So I'm going to click on this the button here that says notify me. Notice that I cannot change the button title. It's grayed out. It has to be the way it is. But I'm going to send a message, click done, and I'm going to move it over here and send a message, because you don't want to leave people hanging. It's kind of weird to leave them hanging. So I'm going to just say, thanks, that's awesome. I will send you a message right here in Messenger with next week's video. Boom. And then I can just leave it as is. Now I could also throw them into some sort of a sequence. I can put them into a flow. I can do all sorts of things with this. But once I click notify me, that allows me to send them a message after the 24-hour window has expired. Now keep in mind, they still have to interact with your video before anything else happens, or not with your video, with your messenger bot, not video. I know we're talking about videos. So what I would do is that I would take this and I would post this in my group. I would post this in on my Facebook page. I would put it in my newsletter, etc. And then what I would do with this is that I would increase the chances that somebody is going to actually see my YouTube video. Now I'm going to preview this so you can see how it looks, because this notify me button, it doesn't look 100% the way you can see it in ManyChat. So we are hopping right here over to just the messenger, and it says, hey Vala, and it gives a baby hand. Hey, I release a new video to my YouTube channel each week where I cover social media and messaging bots for coaches, course creators, and service providers, blah, blah, blah. Then we get down here, get notified. Now keep in mind, this is this section right here. It says get notified. Remember, I cannot change this. I can't edit this. It's going to say get notified. Click notify me in order for me to send you a reminder. This is what I added in here. So click notify me in order for me to send you a reminder. Then they add a little disclaimer. By clicking notify me, you may receive a message from Vala Vincent in the future about this topic. Then you click notify me. Now, if I didn't have an additional message after the notify me, then this would be it. They would just click notify me and nothing else would happen. But because it decided to send another message, and I'm going to go back here in the back end, see how the button connects to this sent message, they at least get a confirmation. Thanks, that's awesome. I will send you a message right here in Messenger with next week's video. Done, period, done. So now what I would do, I would go back here, I would grab the link, and then I would put it out in my group. I would put it in my, like I said, on my Facebook page. I would post this everywhere because I want people to get that reminder. So I would say, if you want to get a reminder of when my next YouTube video comes out, then click this link. Boom. And this would be pretty much, it just goes directly into my messenger. Now I would make it pretty. I would make it into a bit.ly link, etc. And then I can go to LinkedIn and I can do the same there. And just do here, start a post. And if you want to get a reminder of when my next YouTube video comes, then click this link. Wow. Because you cannot just go and send a broadcast to your whole list right off the bat. But now I'm going to show you, so you got people to opt in because they have to interact with you first. So let's say that they opted in on a Friday, March 6th. So they opted in Friday, March 6th, and then what do we say? On 9th or whatever, March 9th is when the next video comes out. That's 3 days later. That's well outside of the 24-hour window. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go here to broadcasting, and we're going to create a new broadcast. It's going to be a messenger. And I'm going to add a text, and up here where it says content type, I'm going to click on that. And instead of adding any one of these tags, I'm going to scroll down here where it says one-time notification topic. And then I'm going to say notify me of March 9th video. So this is the content type. Then I'm going to say, here is the video. Make sure to leave a comment and let me know what you. Then I'm going to add a button and say, take me to the video. That's like 0 letters, right on. Open website, and then I would put my link in here, which is my video or whatever. You know, you're gonna pull your link in here. And then I'm going to just go next, and then I can either schedule for later or start sending now. But I'm going to use here non-promotional mixed content tags, and I'm going to click on condition because this is still not enough. Look up here. This broadcast will be sent to 330 users. This is my whole list. I don't want it to go to a whole list. So I'm going to go down here where it says one-time notification, not a tag. One-time notification is notify me of March 9th video. So that's a condition that they have to be under that topic. The same way as you use tags, they need to have that topic that they are being notified of March 9th video. So that is the topic that they have created. So let's say that 20 people opted in, or 100 people opted in, or however many that you can get to interact with your messenger bots, because now you have to use this together with your social media. That's just the way things goes, people. So you send it out, you put it out in the world, you put it on your email list or what have you, and then they opted in, they want to get that notification, and you can send them that one notification, not many. It doesn't qualify you to send them a message every time you put on a new YouTube video or a new podcast. It's just your next video. So that's how it would be done. You would just do it like this and either send now, schedule for later if you want to schedule it, and you can send all at the same time. You can do time travel. I use this quite often. I especially used to use this because my audience is multicultural. I have a lot of audience in Europe, and I don't want to send them in the middle of the night. So I would schedule for later. I would say, let's say we're going to put this out March 9th at 1400, which for my US friend, this is, or 1500. So 1400, that's 2 p.m., 1500 is 3 p.m., etc. And that means that it goes out at 3 p.m. for every single person in every single time zone that has signed up. So if you have somebody in New Zealand that is like, there is tomorrow, then they would get it on the 9th of their time, which would be like, 8 for you at 3 p.m. their time. Time zones just, they break my brain. But that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. And then you would click here, schedule message. Now that's it. That's all you need to do. Now there's a lot of options that come with this. You can re-engage your list in easily using this tag. Now, just keep in mind, this is a beta version. Who knows what Facebook will do with it? But as of right now, this is a wonderful option for us to use in order to re-engage our list, in order to get to well, maybe not legally, but while staying compliant with Facebook, send that extra message outside of the 24-hour window. But I cannot stress it enough. You cannot send a subscriptional message to your list anymore unless you want to pay for it. And you could do that too. This would be a wonderful thing to do, where you pay for a message, you send it to your list and ask them if they want to be reminded of something. Now, if you are doing a Facebook Live, if you're doing a webinar, then I would use the confirmed event reminder, because you can do that. That is a tag. That is not a topic. So there's a difference between tags and topics. There's definitely a difference in these two. Just keep that in mind, but they work almost the same way. But that's it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like this channel and share it, because we talk all sorts of things about social media. We talk about messenger bots and how to use it for course creators, for coaches, and anyone that is a service-based entrepreneur. That was it for me. My name is Vala Vincent. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.